Alright, so I'm done painting everything. So today's the day I put everything back into the truck. Hopefully it don't take me all day or multiple days. I'm gonna say it's not gonna take me all day. I'm not gonna procrastinate and we'll go ahead and get it done. So stay tuned. Okay, please forgive me. So I have inserted the door panels, okay? So on both sides. Now, man, just look at that. All that I gotta go through. Yeah, on this side, I gotta put that door. Now, what I am doing is I had to specially order this harness. It's a ground wire up on here. Had to run it through here, all the way up through here. As you can see, this is it. So I'm about to connect it into this fuse box so it can give power to my new center console. All right, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully once I get that done, everything else should be quick, simple, easy to put it back in. So we'll see.
Lying Cam, you killing this shit.
Evan, turn me up.
What's good, Makai? Cam, you killing this shit.
Whew. Alright, so forgive me in my appearance, but your boy is tired. All right, I hope that you all like the finished product. I do. I love it. It's my truck. If you don't, oh well, maybe you like a different color. Who knows? But for me personally, hey, a DIY of doing this myself turned out pretty good. Pretty good. Did I run into any problems? Yes. Were they easy fixes? Kind of, sort of. Just one thing I would say is patience is really a virtue. So you really have to be patient in doing this. But for the most part, I really enjoyed it. So we see what we do next. Until next time, love you. Peace.